Good morning to all for this new video of animal tissues. Animal tissues are grouping of cells that are specialized to perform special functions. The working of an animal body is coordinated by tissues and organs formed from them. For example, breathing is due to contraction and relaxation of certain muscles. In breathing, inhalation provides oxygen to blood inside the lungs, and carbon dioxide contained in blood passes into the air to be exhaled. In other words, we can say when we breathe, we take oxygen, and this oxygen is absorbed in alveoli of lungs and carried to all pass through the blood. In this process, various types of muscles and the bloods they take part. It means that both muscle and blood are the example of animal tissues. Depending on the basis of their structure and function, animal tissues are of four types. Number 1, epithelial tissues. 2, muscular tissue. 3, connective tissue. And number 4 is nervous tissues. So children, today we'll start number 1, that is epithelial tissue. Epithelial tissue or epithelium is the simplest type of animal tissue. What does it consist? It consists of one or more layers of tightly packed sheets of cells which covers the external surface of the body and viscera. What is the meaning of viscera? That is internal organs, and also lines of the body cavities and hollow organs. For example, the skin, the mouth, the alimentary canal, lungs, etc. The cells are compactly arranged and there is no intercellular space and matrix between them. Cells are held together by intercellular junctional complexes. Cells of lowermost layer always rest on a non-living basement membrane or basal lamina which separates it from underlying connective tissue. Basement membrane connects the epithelial tissue to the underlying connective tissue. A direct vascular supply is absent. Based on the arrangement of layers, cell shape and functions, the epithelial tissue are of the following types. On the basis of the arrangement of layers, epithelial tissues are of two types, that is simple epithelium, in which the cells are found in single layer, and when this tissue consists of more than one layer of cells are called compound epithelium or stratified epithelium tissues. On the basis of the cell shape, epithelial tissues are of following types. Number 1 is squamous epithelium. It is also called pavement epithelium, children, because its cells fit together like the tiles of a floor. The cells are thin, flat, polygonal with central bulging having flat nuclei. Squamous epithelium is called stratified squamous epithelium or multilayered epithelium when cells of skin are arranged in many layers to prevent wear and tear. The main function of squamous epithelium is provide protection to the underlying parts against abrasion and entry of germs or chemicals. It also helps in gaseous exchange, ultrafiltration of Bowman's capsule, secretion of coelomic fluid and excretion. Cuboidal epithelium is formed of compactly arranged cells which appear cuboidal like cube in vertical section. Nucleus of each cell is rounded and centric, means present in the center. Microvilli may occur on the free surface for increasing absorptive area. Simple means the tissue is made up of single layer of cells, while stratified or compound means the tissue consists of more than one layer of cells. Simple cuboidal epithelium occurs in uriniferous tubules, germinal layer of sex organs, thyroid vesicles, small salivary and pancreatic ducts. Cuboidal epithelium takes part in secretion, excretion and absorption. Here you can see that why kidneys has single layer of cuboidal cells. This is because it helps in absorption of waste materials from our blood to excrete them out of our body. Stratified cuboidal epithelium provides mechanical support and it also helps in the formation of gametes. The epithelium consists of tall, columnar or pillar-like compactly arranged cells. Nucleus is oval and lies near the base. Free surface may bear a number of tiny finger-like projections which are called microvilli. The latter increases the absorptive area, means finger-like projections increases the surface area for the absorption. Like other epithelia, columnar epithelium may be simple or stratified. Simple columnar epithelium occurs in lining layer of stomach, intestine and their glands. Modified columnar epithelium called pseudo-stratified epithelium occurs in the nasal and genital tracts. Stratified columnar epithelium forms covering layer of epiglottis. On the basis of specific functions, the epithelial tissues are of four types, that is glandular epithelium, ciliated epithelium, germinal epithelium and sensory epithelium. So now I will tell you about glandular epithelium. The epithelium is often enfolded to form multicellular glands. Glands secrete chemical substances, that is sweat by the sweat glands, oil by the oil glands, enzymes by the digestive glands and hormones by the endocrine glands. Glandular epithelium is actually formed by modified columnar or cuboidal epithelium. Glands are specialized epithelial cells that produce a fluid secretion. Ciliated epithelium, it is a columnar or cuboidal epithelium where the cells bear cilia on their free surface. Children, you can see outer surface is bearing a small thread-like structure which are called cilia. Ciliated cuboidal epithelium occurs in sperm ducts and uriniferous tubules. They are also found in the lining layer of respiratory tract and oviduct. Actually, cilia produce a current in liquid medium and it pushes the ovum in oviduct. The respiratory tract is cleared of mucus having trapped dust particles and microbes with the help of ciliary activities of its epithelium. Germinal epithelium actually occurs in gonads, that is testes and ovaries, which are also called the male and the female reproductive organs. The epithelium consists of cuboidal cells and it helps in the formation of gametes. Sensory epithelium, it consists of special columnar cells which possesses sensory hair on their free surface, and the epithelium picks up the external stimuli with the help of its hair. At the last, I would like to tell you upon altogether the functions of epithelium, that is number 1, protection, Number 2, absorption. Number 3, excretion. Number 4, exchange of gases. Number 5, movement. And number 6, secretion. Thank you and have a nice day.